Good morning, students. I am Vijay sir. I will teach to mathematics in class 4. And today's first chapters, their name is Building with Bricks. Students, in previous class, we will learn how we draw the curve triangles. But here we know that big brick pattern for geography school. Brick pattern for geography school, and page number 1 you can just show here. This is the true story. This is the true story of geography school in Murshidabad in West Bengal. When this building was being made, there was a plan to make brick pattern on the floor and walls. Jamal, Kalu and PR were the mention for the brick work. They wanted to get new ideas for the school building, so they looked their other friends to see the old tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. See photo, students see photo, and here this building has big floor. Here this building has big floor, about 2000 beautiful brick pattern. These were made by Manson long back, about 300 years ago. Students, यह कहानी मुर्शिदाबाद जो वेस्ट बंगाल में है, एक सच्ची कहानी है जागृति स्कूल की। जब इस स्कूल की बिल्डिंग को बनाया जा रहा था तो उस समय वहाँ के वर्कर्स ने एक प्लान आइडिया की कि देयर फ्लोर्स एंड वॉल्स जम्मल कालू एंड प्रेयर वेयर द मेंशन फॉर द ब्रिक वर्क। स्टूडेंट्स हियर सेम टाइप, which pattern do you like the most? Which pattern do you like the most? Okay, and next lesson, how to draw a brick. 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 And firstly, draw a rectangle. Suppose that right here and draw and next picture here, suppose that, and yes, how to draw a brick. This is a brick, here a faces, and this faces, here this faces, and bricks have 3 faces and same side, and 3 faces is opposite side, have 6 faces. Bricks have 6 faces, and we know here, and there is and in one photo we can see, there's the same brick. Suppose that here, and yes, only we can see here, and faces of one side only. Bricks of 1 faces, and here we see that here 1, 2 and 3. स्टूडेंट्स, आपने देखा कि इस ब्रिक्स में हमें ब्रिक्स की 3 फेसेस जो दिखाई दे रही हैं, और इस ब्रिक्स में केवल 1 फेसेस दिखाई दे रही है. ओके, हैव यू अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, एंड ड्रा द स्मॉलेस्ट फेसेस ऑफ द ब्रिक. ड्रॉ द स्मॉलेस्ट फेसेस ऑफ द ब्रिक हियर. स्टूडेंट्स हियर, एंड स्मॉलेस्ट फेसेस ऑफ ब्रिक, एंड दिस इज द स्मॉलेस्ट faces of the brick. Smallest faces of the brick, and this is the longest faces of the bricks. Okay, bricks have no curve. Bricks have no curve here. We see that bricks have no curves. And suppose that here, which of these are the faces of bricks? Mark brick. Here bricks, right here bricks. Okay, and this is a bricks, and this is a brick side 1 faces. Here longest faces. Okay, understands? Students, look at the blackboard. Which of these are the faces of a brick? Mark rectangle. Here, and faces of bricks? No. And this is faces of brick? Yes. And mark here, and the faces of brick. Okay. And this is a faces of brick, and this is a knot here. Have you seen? And okay. Which of these are the faces of a brick? Here we see that here the faces of brick is this. Okay, understand, all students? Okay, and suppose that here next figure is given here, and erase it is. And suppose that here and this types, and next is here, and draw a cuboid here, and right here is square, draw a square firstly, okay, and in middle draw a next cuboid square and trace this, okay, and next figure is here. And this. Students, which of these is a drawing of a brick? Here we see that here, and this is a brick. Okay. All students see the photo of bricks. Photo of bricks. Okay. And suppose that a wall that will not fall, a wall that will not fall. A wall will not fall. A wall will not fall. Okay, students. And firstly, right here, suppose this brick, okay, and here next brick, and draw again here a next brick, okay, and put here next brick, okay, and here draw is next brick, here again, yes, this, okay. And this, and this, okay. Students, draw again here, and suppose that here next brick here, and next brick here, and here next, and here next, okay. And you see that here a wall is easily, you can say this wall is not easily fall, and this wall is easily fall, okay, because here wall is supported from to edge to edge, where here other wall we can see here, and put here bricks, and on bricks and bricks and bricks, and those one, and this bridge is stronger, this wall is stronger than this wall is stronger and then this, okay, understands all students? आपने देखा कि इस तरह से मेंशन के द्वारा की गई वॉल वो क्या होती है, स्ट्रांग होती है, और अगर इस तरह से आप दीवार को तैयार करते हैं तो ये क्या होती है, इजीली गिर जाती है, ओके, अंडरस्टैंड्स, ओके, वेरी गुड. Students, and we take here, suppose that in a brick is any faces square, in brick is any faces square, no. We see that here in bricks any faces is not square, and suppose that again draw a bricks here, and firstly we draw a rectangles, and right here again draw a rectangles, okay, and mention this sides and this sides. Here we see that, and this is a bricks, this is a bricks. Here we see that here no sides are square, no sides are equal, and suppose that is any face triangle, is any face triangle, triangles in this triangle, and triangles here triangles, and this is a triangles. We know that triangles, in previous classes we learned, and this type figure is known as triangles. Here this sides, here 1, 2 and 3, and 3 sides are joined together is known as triangles. Okay students, understands? Yes, very good. Again, if you, how many pair of identical faces here, and suppose that is a identical, yes, you can say this, and it's a parallels. Okay, if you draw two lines and suppose that first, yes, and it's this lines is parallels because here are both are not touch any points, and this type lines are called parallel lines. Okay, understands? Very good. Here we see that, and this type pattern of bricks, this type patterns of bricks wall is stronger than this. Okay, okay students, and now, and this is a and suppose that here, and this is a breadth, and bricks have three lengths. Here is a length and breadth and height. Length, breadth and height. Okay, you can say length, width and height. Length, width, this is a width, and this is a height, and this is a length. Okay, understands? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Okay students, if you try to draw a bricks, here you see that how many types of pattern of bricks. Okay, okay. Students, here look on page number and 3, you are in book, you look here, different wall patterns, and this, and here photos of 3 kinds of bricks wall. Photos are here, photos of 3 kinds of brick wall. Can you see the difference in the way brick are placed? Here this first type and second and third type. Now match the photo of each wall with the correct drawing below. Match, here we see that here, and this, and match the this. Okay, and this and this. This is a match this, and this is a, oh yes. Okay, this pattern and this patterns, and this is a this pattern. Okay, here now match the photo of each wall with the correct drawing below. Okay, you see that here, and 3 patterns of kinds of brick walls, kinds of brick wall. Can you see the difference in the way of the brick are correct? Okay. Students, and suppose that here an example for bricks, and take the shape of brick, Okay, here we suppose that here, and next is figure, and firstly we draw here, and okay, and this is a bricks, and this side, these faces, and suppose they are triangles. Okay, take the shape of brick, Here we see that the brick. This is a brick. Okay, understands? Very good. Yes. Students here learn how we draw the bricks. Okay, and we see that here bricks have 6 faces. Bricks have 6 faces and no squares and no triangles. Okay, and here we learn and which patterns is stronger than this patterns, and understands? Okay. Students, explain the page number 9. Explain the page number 9 and see in your books. And this is a Jolly, from a library building in Kolkata. You see that here, and this Jolly is from a library building in Kolkata, Kerala. And see how the edge of the bricks is used to make a triangle in the wall. See how the edge of the bricks is used to make a triangle in the wall. Here, look here and see, and this is a used for a triangles. Okay. Have you seen bricks that look like triangles, and look at the bricks around the tree in this photo? Okay, and see here. And do you see that arch in the photos? Yes, this is a arch. This is arc. This is a form of a school in Faizabad. Okay. Here in figure, have you seen arches in a bridge? Where else have you seen a arch? A special arch. In this photo from Orcha, and see how the arch is made. It has nice name, Ghungat Wali Mehrab. The arch with a will. Okay. Isn't the Jolly is of this window beautiful? And this Jolly is beautiful. It is made of thin bricks. Have you ever seen the thin bricks? Look around. Okay. Students, look here in this page number 10. Jamal and Kalu, the mention of Jagriti school, and said that their grandfathers used many different kinds of bricks, as some of these. Which of these bricks have covered as how many faces of do you see? The longest bricks. Is there any bricks which has more than 6 faces? Okay. Understands? All students, in next class we will read the how types of bricks patterns. Okay. Thank you.